Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again, and today we're going to be reviewing this LG French door refrigerator. This is an awesome fridge. This is the LRFWS2906S. A couple things from the outside. This is a dispensing fridge, but you cannot get the ice dispenser is actually in the freezer here. So this one, they changed the layout, and I'll kind of go into the reasons why I think that they changed it. So water dispenser right from the front. Your ice is still going to be down below in this bin down before. Now this does pop out, just like we've seen with the other LGs, just to help out with that seal. Sometimes when you get a lot of weight in this freezer door, that extra little kick kind of helps push out that door so you're not kind of fighting the fridge, especially if those seals get sticky if you have something spill. So this is 29 cubic feet on the size. So it's this one 36 inches wide, typically what we've seen. We'll put the description in on the depth and the height. This is a little bit deeper of a fridge. So the real main selling point on this French door in LG's line is their gallon storage bins. These are half-gallon storage bins, and there's 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you could fit the full height of these, but you could fit a lot of milk or cartons into these. They took out the reasons why they took out the ice maker off of this unit is so you're able to access all this space opposed to some of these other ones that take up some of your space in your freezer, especially in your French doors. Your French door, your typical LGs take up a big chunk of that space. And we'll flash over to another one here in a second to kind of show you the difference between the two. The same thing that we've seen on LGs before, nice LED lighting on the top, so I don't have this one plugged in. These do adjust up and down depending on where you want them. So they have a couple levels to adjust. Multi-airflow keeps the air flowing around, so the gallons on the door aren't going to get warm. It kind of keeps the air flowing around all the time. And same thing we've seen before in the past. This does adjust a few different temperature settings for depending on what you have in there. This one's got your fruit and vegetables, and then your water filters on the side. An awesome fridge, guys, especially if you have big families that use a lot of milk or something like that. These work great just because you have tons of room for all your storage there, and you still have a lot left on the inside at 29 cubic feet. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.